All right, welcome everybody. This is the 34th annual Boat Parade of Lights, and that means it started back in 1982. Lake Havasu City, the London Bridge Yacht Club puts this on every year. This is a really much look forward to event. Chilly tonight, lots of wind as well on the water. This is the lead boat coming by right now. We've got about a little over 200 hardy souls that have made their way down to the Bridgewater Channel to watch this event this evening, and it's going to be held tonight and tomorrow night. Tomorrow night they'll also let people know which boats won what awards, because it is a competitive event as well. But it's really a fun type of event that's been going on for some time, and they put a lot of work and effort into making those lights work on these various boats. Most of them are pontoons, by the way, and many of the people that are engaged in this activity and get involved in it in the competitive spirit are families that have been doing it for a number of years, and they love doing this. So we're looking right now as they make their way down the channel. And again, the people will start reacting to them as well as they see them. And we'll tell you a little bit about them as they come here among us. Now, most of these boats are numbered, by the way, which helps us. I'm not certain about this one. Right as we said that, not certain if this one has a number or not. But again, this is a very, very pretty one. There you can hear the crowd reacting to it. Beautiful lights on this, by the way. Just think about how much effort and time it takes. A soaring eagle on the side of the boat. I mean, it's really beautiful. They put a lot of work and effort into that. Now, this could be the London Bridge Yacht Club's event boat. They're the ones that are the organizers of the parade that put this very event on that we're watching tonight. Okay, now we're seeing a number on the side. This is number 3, John and Bonnie View. This is a family entry. They're also members of the London Bridge Yacht Club. They've been doing this for 11 years, participating in the Lake Havasu Boat Parade of Lights. There it goes. From John and Bonnie View. Again, we'll try to give you each of these boats as best we can. They are in order so far. Dan McGowan has this one. This is number 4. It's another family entry. Also a member of the London Bridge Yacht Club. This is the 3rd year that they have participated in the parade. And there they go with the snowmen on the back of the boat. And they go under the bridge, turn around as soon as they get on the other side, and make their way back down the channel. Oh boy, this one's really colorful coming up to us right now. Everybody's waiting. This is Denise's Day. This is number 5. And by the way, this is a service group entry. 3rd year participating in the parade. They raise money for Lake Havasu city families that are battling cancer. And they've been doing that for some time and raised a lot of money. It's in memory of a lady. That was her name, Denise. And they've been doing this a great deal through various different events that have been going on in the city for a number of years now. Again, the crowd is this is cold for us in Lake Havasu. I don't know where you're from, but it's probably a lot colder than it is here. But for us, this is chilly. A lot of wind on the water as well. It's calmed down a little bit from what it was a little bit earlier. It's a lot better than it was, as a matter of fact. Here's the next entry. They've got music on theirs, by the way, and a horn as well, as you can see. This is number 8, by the way. So that may mean that number 6 and 7 are not in the parade. We're not sure of that. But number 8 is Mark Farrar, Farrar. It's a family entry. By the way, they're kind of just joining the parade, they say, for fun. I don't know if that means they're not competitive in this event or not, but that could well be the case. Again, the 34th annual Lake Havasu Boat Parade put on by the London Bridge Yacht Club. And that's where we are right now. The bridge is decorated very nicely. Across from us is the Javelina Cantina and the Heat Hotel. On the other side, in the village itself, the English Village, the lights are put up, and they're just beautiful. Really, really nice. Kind of a nondescript entry here. We're not sure who this is. This one doesn't look like they have a number on it. But another one all decorated up in lights going by us right now. Now here comes a really festive one, by the way. It's got Peace on Earth in front of it. I'm not sure what the number is on this one yet. We'll see if it does have a number. But it says this is another yacht club entry. Elks Yacht Club. That's what it should be. First time in 5 years that the Elks have participated. So very glad to have them back on board. And they've obviously done a lot of work on that one. Look at it. It's got the sled on the side. It's got the reindeer. It's got Santa Claus right up at the top, which always makes the kids here very, very happy. That's for certain. That's a beautiful float. That really is. An incredible boat float put on by the Elks Club. We're coming to you from the Wet Rods Dock, by the way. We want to thank them for enabling us to be here. We're sitting on a pontoon boat right in the channel. And again, a little over 250 people behind us. And the village is it's all decked out as well. Here comes another incredible entry. This one's, I'm not sure what this one, the number on this one. I don't see a number on this. Oh, this is coming by again. Okay, this is the Eagle one we saw. They're giving us a second glance. A second glance. There you go, folks. So we're seeing some of the boats we saw earlier making a second swing by. Here comes number 3 once again. All right. Again, this will be, you can watch this again tomorrow. Am I correct? And you can go to HavasuOnlineTV.com for that. Here comes number 4 again, the Snowmen. That's a really, really cute float. Snowmen waving in the in the background there, the back of the boat. And here comes the Denise's Day float once again. So apparently they go around and swing back around a second time. And we think most of the boats that were originally scheduled to be in the parade, most of them are still participating tonight, despite the wind problem we had a little earlier. And there should be a large number of them participating. We just don't know how many for sure. But we have a lot more to come. A lot of new ones you haven't seen yet. I'm Roger Galloway for Havasu Online TV, and I'm really happy to be here again. I've actually done this boat parade a couple times in past years, and it's always been a lot of fun, and it's gotten bigger and bigger and bigger. Here comes number 8 around again. It's amazing how lit up the whole channel gets with these boats. And again, the decorative aspects of the boats, it's really amazing how incredible they look. And they honestly put in a lot of time and effort on them. And you're going to be able to tell that as we go along here. You'll see the extraordinary sight. think the temperature is right now here? 58 degrees. Now, again, I know that's not really that cold for a lot of you, but for us here, used to temperatures in the 70s and 80s, and of course in the summer up to 117, 120, this is cold. Here's number 23. We jumped all the way down to number 23. Beautiful boat, by the way. Let you know who that is here in a sec. 23, Lewis Burke. It's a family entry. Their fifth year. Their fifth year participating. Oh, we got some showing up here in a minute. They're extraordinary. We have one coming up here with one word: love. Yeah, we all need that. That's for sure. Now, how I know, I can tell by the numbers on the side. If they don't have a number, it's a little difficult for us to know who is behind that particular boat. So we're going to try to do our best on that. I don't know about this one. I don't see the number yet. But again, it's really a beautiful one with love right there on the front. Is it 15? Okay, it is 15. Okay, that's great. The number is actually in lights. Number 15 is from Slide Anchor and Veterans United. There you go. That's a beautiful boat. Boy, that one's really, really decked out. Again, that one, Slide Anchor, Veterans United, going by. As I'm talking here, I feel the breeze, the wind going right by my head. And as everyone standing in the background watching this event, they're going through the same thing. So this one's a nice one. Oh, it's got a lighthouse up there at the top of it. That's really neat. There are a lot of little lighthouses all around the lake and the channel and the area put up by a local lighthouse group here. And they're mock lighthouses, small lighthouses that are patterned after very specific lighthouses across the world. So they're really, really extraordinary. So I don't know if that's from the Lighthouse Club or not, but that's a very nice one. Here's number 28 right now, coming up. Again, they're not in, I don't know if they're in order or we've lost some of the boats. I'm not sure. This is Michael and Elisa Montero. This is their very first year participating in the event. Number 28, Michael and Elisa. We jump from 28 to 35. Number 35 coming up right now. And this is Carrie Carrasco, another family entry. They've been doing this for 5 or 6 years now. There you go. Nice little tree lit up in the back. Again, many of these boats, of course, are pontoons that are being decorated especially for this event. And they do this every year. 34 years now, since 1982. It's been going on. We had here, I think just a couple of weeks ago, we had like a race across the channel. I mean, really cold. I think there was like a 15, 16-year-old kid won this year. Yeah. Now, this one is a labyrinth. This is a really, really interesting one coming by right now. Take a real good look at this boat. This is a winner, I would think. Number 36. Number 36 we're looking at right now. And it is Cattail Cove State Park. Corporate entry. First year participating. Cattail Cove State Park. Look at that. That's an incredible one. Happy camping, it says. Nice American flag up at the top as well. Nice one. There you go. The boat parade of lights. I always enjoy this. I really do. Frankly, I think everybody here, the cold kind of goes away when you're watching something like this. Kids get excited, that's for sure. This one's kind of dimly lit, making its way through. little boat. I don't think that one is participating. Now, I don't know. I can't tell. Do we have others coming or not? Because we went all the way down to number 35 and 36. So it's a little hard. The problem, folks, so you know, we had all these heavy winds throughout the day, really bad. So it was an on-again, off-again situation for a while, and some of the boats, I don't think they wanted to take the chance and come down the channel when it was windy like that earlier today. That's why some of the numbers have jumped around, and it's a little more difficult. But I think we had a total of about 50 boats lined up for this evening originally. So does it look to you like that's the last of the boats? Can we tell? We'll let you look at the crowd of people that we have here. I don't know. It appears they think it is over, right? So for this evening, we're going to be doing the same thing tomorrow night. That's 6:30 tomorrow evening, Arizona time, for those of you in other parts of the world. And hopefully the winds will be died down a little bit more, and we'll have some of those other boats that couldn't make it this evening back with us. We've certainly enjoyed doing this, and as short as it is, you can see the village itself and how gorgeous the lights are. They put in a lot of work and an effort into it. They do it every year, and hey, the whole English village down here in Lake Havasu City comes to life. So I want to thank you. I want to thank the folks at Havasu Online TV. This will be uploaded in the morning, and you'll have a chance to go and take a look at it again. Just go to HavasuOnlineTV.com.